Welcome back to my channel. My name's Melanie Ferguson and you're watching Southern Crush at Home. Today I'm going to share with you guys some amazing pool noodle hack projects, and I just can't pick a favorite. So I need you to let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, which one of these you think you might give a try. So I appreciate you so much. If you don't already subscribe, I'd love it if you did, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right. This is going to be so much fun, you guys. You just want to grab some pool noodles from the Dollar Tree and a serrated knife. It's really important that you use a serrated knife. Oops, and don't cut your finger off. I almost did that on the first project. All right, so you're going to cut this one, just whatever about the size of your mug is. And this is just a fun way to decorate using a pool noodle. I just covered it with some Spanish moss, popped a little succulent in the top, and boom, it is the cutest little gift you can give to a neighbor or someone who's not feeling well. I absolutely love this idea. Let me know. Of course, don't forget which one is your favorite. So idea number 2, we're just going to cut several different pool noodles using the serrated knife, about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. It's literally up to you, but this is a really fun project because it is just a great alternative to those little stemware, I don't know what you call them, y'all, the ID tags, like if you're having a party. So you're just going to cut that little slit there, just on one side of your noodles, and put them there. Put them there. These I know are not wine glasses, but they do the trick. And it's just a great way to say, hey, this one's mine. Oh, no, this one's mine. I don't know if you guys have that problem when you have people over, but you're always wanting to make sure you know which cup is yours. So just another idea there. All right, so now we have a really fun gift idea. You're going to cut the pool noodle to about the length of the neck of your bottle, and then you're going to work that pool noodle right over the neck of the bottle, starting from the top. And then I sped this up a little bit because literally you're just going to be adding flowers. So I added these stems from the Dollar Tree. These were just a couple of different floral stems from the Dollar Tree, just to add some fun and whimsy. And I added a pink bow at the end, just around the neck of the bottle. This makes an amazing gift for a wedding or a graduate or whatever you want. I don't know why I said graduate, y'all. I know my graduate's 21, so maybe yours is. But it's just a great fun way to up the look of a regular wine bottle gift. And I absolutely love this one. Let me know for sure in the comments below if you think you'll try this. Okay, so project number 4, I can't believe we're already on number 4. I just am using this pool noodle as a riser for my battery operated candle. So you could glue it to the candle, but I just didn't want it to be that permanent. So I just have a hurricane glass, and I use this Himalayan pink salt around the edges just to kind of hide the pool noodle. That way it doesn't really matter what color pool noodle you use. This one just happened to be white, so it's okay if it shows through, but if you do it just right, it's not going to show through. Don't forget, you guys, you can always do this with any size candle, and it just lifts it up in the hurricane, up taller in the glass. I love this look. I didn't light it for the video, but you get the idea. Okay, so speaking of ideas, idea number 5, you're just going to slice your pool noodle again, and just use your best judgment. So not everyone's going to love this one. I actually do like this one, but you're going to take a cloth napkin and use it as a napkin ring. I've not seen anyone do this before. There might be a reason. You got to tuck that crazy in a little bit sometimes. But yeah, I took a regular pool noodle, added a little piece of bling to the top just to kind of up it a little bit. And this is what it looks like right there. It might be a fun way to actually add a different embellishment on the front for a fun occasion. But idea number 6, I don't know about you, but my silverware drawer is always loose, and this has bugged me forever. But we're going to take this pool noodle and do a pool noodle hack. Using your serrated knife, cut it to fit and just tuck it in there. Tuck it in the back. Now it was pretty solid, but I wanted to have it on both sides, so I went ahead and cut one to fit on the side of the silverware tray as well. And now no more slinging around. Okay, hack idea number 7. I'm just cutting the pool noodle in about 6 inches in length. But listen, this is going to depend on how many of these watches you want to add. Now, Father's Day is coming up, and I just thought, you know what? He always lays his watches just anywhere. I think I'm going to use a pool noodle to keep them all in one place, all ready and to pop on your wrist, and all where you can see them at once. Okay, so this is maybe an alternative if you don't want to grab one of those actual cases, but I don't know, I thought it was fun. All right, idea number 8, you're going to take just some duct tape and you're going to duct tape the 2 ends of a pool noodle together, and it's going to create this round shape that you can use for literally any wreath form you want to make. Now, I just took some ivy that I had gotten. It's an ivy garland I'd gotten off of Amazon, and I'm going to use some clear zip ties to zip tie it to this pool noodle wreath form. Now, you can use floral picks like we did in the wine bottle example, or you can zip tie your florals onto the wreath. But I just did it this way. You can see the zip ties on all 4 corners of the back of this wreath, and this is how it ends up looking on my front door. It's just a quick and fast, easy way to pop up a wreath with just a pool noodle if you didn't have another wreath form. Okay, idea number 9. So if you travel with jewelry and your necklaces always get tied up in a bind, why not stick it through a pool noodle? I thought this was genius. I have not seen anyone do this before, but this hack really works. So now my necklace can fall around, go anywhere in my suitcase and not get lost, number 1, and not get tangled, number 2. So I'm kind of showing you here how you could just throw it in there. You can still see it. You can grab your pool noodle and voila, it's perfect. Okay, this is hack number 10. It is some fun firecrackers, as well as a really fun DIY candle. Did you know that you could make DIY candles with pool noodles? I will link both of those projects below in the description. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.